Folks, I've got Sonny Callahan. He's with Royal Adhesives. You've got a brand new product to talk about.
Thanks, Joey. Yeah, we've got a new product out called EMC. It's our Easy Moisture Control Barrier. It's an adhesive and a moisture barrier all in one. And EMC comes in two different formulations, Joey. It has our EMC 4011, which is our urethane formulation, okay, which is designed to be used for any type of wood flooring, excluding bamboo, or our EMC 2011, which is our acrylic formulation that's approved for any engineered wood floor that's 3/8 of an inch or thicker.
You know, one thing that is critical when putting down the glue has got to be the trowel. Y'all got a special trowel for that.
Yes, sir. One thing that we've done with this EMC is we've tried to make it as simple and as standardized for the installer as we could. And one way that we did that is we provide a patented trowel on the top of every pail that the installer uses when he's putting the wood flooring in. So every time he opens up a new pail, he has a new trowel to put on there. What this does, it saves the installer time, it saves him money. He doesn't have to decide when is it time to change the blade. He doesn't have to go out, leave the job site, buy a new trowel so he can finish the last part of the floor. This makes it very simple for the installer. What we found with our testing in our lab is that the sawtooth and the V-notch doesn't provide the solid layer of adhesive to block the moisture from rising up and affecting the wood flooring. And we found that there's going to be a high occurrence of failures with the sawtooth trowel installation systems. What I brought in just to show you real quick, Joey, was that this is a brand new sawtooth trowel, but just after a few hundred square feet of installations, you can see where the teeth have been worn down, and that's not going to give you the layer of protection that you need for your wood flooring.
That's what, 1/16 of an inch maybe?
At the very minimum, every couple of hundred feet that would wear off.
Okay.
And how that looks like on the floor is if you turn it over, you can see all these voids. Well, that's where your moisture is going to come in.
I got you.
And that's how your wood floor is going to fail. Another great benefit of the EMC is what we've done is we've incorporated the Tramex moisture encounter. What we're going to do now is we're going to recognize that moisture encounter as a go, no-go for the installation system, where traditionally in the past it's only been an indicator to decide if you need to do more testing or not. Or right now, if it's 6 or below, you can go ahead and install with the EMC wood flooring adhesive. Just like a traditional installation, it's very important that you make sure you get the floor flat. You want to make sure that you follow NWFA guidelines to get the floor as flat as you can, and what that does is that creates that solid layer of adhesive we were talking about before that blocks the moisture from coming up. Another key issue with the EMC is when you're installing it, sometimes with a traditional installation, you'd want to glue up to your chalk line. Okay. Well, with the EMC, it's very important that you go beyond the chalk line to make sure there's no voids, as small as they may be, no voids in the adhesive for the moisture to rise up and affect your wood flooring.
As far as typically a pail, how many square foot does that cover?
Well, that was really important in what we were looking at, Joey, when we started to do this. We wanted to make sure that we could get as close to a traditional glue down installation as we could. Right now you get between 42 and 45 square feet per gallon with the EMC products.
Sonny, is this product going to take the place of IFS?
No, Joey, our intelligent flooring system is still our premium product. It has unlimited moisture protection. It has acoustical benefits. EMC is designed to be your everyday go-to adhesive. IFS is going to be there for your extreme moisture conditions. EMC can be used when you're on the Tramex meter of 6 or less. You can go ahead and use EMC with no issues.
Anybody that's interested in this product, how do they find it?
Well, it's easy to find us, Joey. You can find us on our website, www.parabond.com. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or now you can watch installation videos on our YouTube channel, Parabond Adhesives.
Folks, another outstanding product.